Welcome to our video tutorial on optimizing your website for mobile. As more people access the internet through mobile devices, it has become crucial to ensure your website caters to their needs. In this video, we will guide you through the essential tips and tricks to create a mobile-friendly website that offers a seamless user experience. So, let's dive in. The importance of mobile optimization. Why mobile optimization matters. In this section, we will discuss why mobile optimization is vital for your website's success. Did you know that over 50% of internet traffic comes from mobile devices? Hence, failing to optimize your website for mobile can result in losing potential visitors, customers, and revenue. By making your website mobile-friendly, you enhance user experience, increase engagement, and boost your search engine rankings. Improving user experience. Mobile users often have different needs and expectations compared to desktop users. By prioritizing mobile optimization, you ensure that your website is responsive, loads quickly, and provides an intuitive navigation experience. A frustrating user experience can drive away potential customers, harming your business performance. Let's explore how to enhance user experience for mobile users. Boosting engagement and conversion rates. A user-friendly mobile website can significantly impact engagement and conversion rates. By optimizing your website's design, content, and call-to-action buttons for mobile devices, you make it easier for users to explore your site, access information, and take desired actions. This improves your chances of converting visitors into customers, subscribers, or loyal followers. Improving search engine visibility. Mobile friendliness is now a critical factor in search engine optimization, SEO. Search engines prioritize mobile-optimized websites and rank them higher in mobile search results. By neglecting mobile optimization, you risk losing visibility in search engine rankings, making it harder for potential users to find your website. Let's explore the next section to learn how to optimize your website for mobile. Essential tips and tricks for mobile optimization. Responsive web design. The foundation of mobile optimization lies in using responsive web design. This technique ensures that your website automatically adjusts its layout and content according to the user's device screen size. By implementing responsive design, your website will provide an optimal user experience across various mobile devices, irrespective of their screen orientation or size. Mobile-friendly navigation. Mobile users typically have limited screen space, so you need to ensure that your website's navigation is mobile-friendly. Consider using a hamburger menu, concise labels, and easy-to-reach navigation buttons to offer a seamless browsing experience. This allows users to explore your website effortlessly, find what they need quickly, and improves overall user satisfaction. Optimized page loading speed. Mobile users expect fast-loading websites, so optimizing your page loading speed is crucial. Compressing images, minifying code, utilizing browser caching, and choosing a reliable web hosting provider are some strategies to improve loading times. A faster website not only enhances user experience but also positively impacts your search engine rankings. Mobile-optimized content. Creating mobile-optimized content involves ensuring readability, using shorter paragraphs, and focusing on scannable content. Break up your text with subheadings, bullet points, and use media elements effectively. By adapting your content to mobile devices, you make it easier for users to consume information, engage with your content, and stay on your website longer. Mobile SEO best practices. Implementing mobile SEO practices helps search engines recognize and rank your website higher for mobile searches. This includes optimizing meta tags, using mobile-friendly URLs, implementing structured data, and following other SEO techniques specifically tailored for mobile devices. By optimizing your website for mobile SEO, you increase its visibility and reach more potential users. Congratulations! You have reached the end of our video tutorial on optimizing your website for mobile. We hope the tips and tricks provided in this video will help you create a mobile-friendly website that offers an outstanding user experience. Remember, by optimizing your website for mobile, you pave the way for attracting more mobile users, enhancing engagement, and boosting boosting your overall online success. Thank you for watching.